How I learned English in just 5 months, my step-by-step journey. Do you want to learn English fast but feel stuck, lost, or too late to start? Let me tell you something. I learned to speak English in just 5 months. Not with expensive courses, not by moving to another country, but with a simple, step-by-step system I followed every single day. In this video, I'm going to share my real journey, the exact steps I followed, and what you can do to get results fast. Let's begin. Month 1, building the foundation. In the first month, I focused only on listening and simple reading. I didn't worry about grammar or speaking. Here's what I did daily. Watched easy English YouTube videos for beginners. Listened to slow English podcasts while walking. Read simple English stories or dialogues. Wrote down 5 new words every day. The goal was to make English a part of my daily life. I wasn't trying to be perfect. I was just trying to feel comfortable with English sounds, rhythm, and basic words. You're starting out? Do this. Don't worry about speaking in the beginning. Just listen and read more. Month 2, start speaking, no matter what. By the second month, I started speaking to myself. Yes, out loud every day, even if I made mistakes. Here's how I practiced. I described everything I did during the day. I am brushing my teeth. I am going outside. I am eating lunch. I talked to myself in the mirror. I recorded my voice to hear my pronunciation. I joined a small WhatsApp or Telegram group to send voice messages in English. I didn't wait for perfect grammar. I focused on confidence and practice. If you want to speak fluently, the best time to start is now, even with short sentences. Month 3, create a 100% English environment. In month 3, I made a big decision. I surrounded myself with English. I changed my phone language to English. I watched movies only in English, with subtitles. I followed English learning pages on Instagram and YouTube. I even wrote my shopping list, to-do list, and personal notes in English. This helped my brain think in English without translating. Here's a tip. The more you see, hear, and read English, the faster your brain adapts to it. Month 4, daily speaking and short conversations. By the 4th month, I started having short conversations with real people. I used these platforms. Language exchange apps like HelloTalk or Tandem. Spoke with friends who were also learning English. Practiced short dialogues from videos and books. I kept it simple. I didn't try to sound fancy. I focused on being clear, natural, and confident. Also, I practiced real-life English situations, like how to order food, how to introduce, how to ask help or directions. This made my English useful, not just academic. Month 5, review, reflect, and repeat. By month 5, I was already speaking much better. But I didn't stop there. I reviewed my notes, repeated the words I had learned, and checked my progress. Here's what I did. Repeated my favorite videos, practiced the same sentences every day, asked myself questions in English, set small goals, like today I will learn 5 new verbs. The secret was consistency. I didn't do anything magical. I just showed up every day and practiced. If I could learn English in 5 months, you can too. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be consistent. Here's the simple step-by-step path again. 1. Listen and read daily. 2. Start speaking, even to yourself. 3. Surround yourself with English. 4. Practice real conversations. 5. Review and repeat. Every small step counts. Even 15 minutes a day can change your fluency in a few months. So stop doubting yourself. Start your journey today. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me below, how are you learning English? Let's grow together.